Hey everybody, it's Jay Carter from MarketView with another MarketView tip for small businesses. This time we're talking about Runway, and specifically, how long can your business survive coronavirus? In the next couple minutes, we'll answer that question. First of all, what is your runway? Your runway, we define, is a term that describes the resources available to operate your business, the resources that you have available, and how long they're going to last. So using a very simple calculator that we developed, you can calculate your runway right now, come up with a number of weeks that you've got left from your current reserves and other resources before you have to rely on something else. I'd recommend that you do that. You can download the runway calculator from our website right now. It's at www.market-view.com/resources. And you can find the runway calculator there, download it, and it's very simple. It'll take you about 10 minutes to complete, and you'll come up with a number that is the number of weeks of runway you have remaining. Once you figure that out, then what do you want to do? You want to look and see how you can extend your runway to give yourself more time. We don't know how long this thing's going to last. More time is better. It gives you more flexibility and more options. So there are really two ways to do it. You can, and we recommend that you do both. One is reduce your cash outflows, and the other is increase your cash inflows. We've got a number of recommendations here that you consider. There are many others, but just examples of things you can do is take another hard look at your budget. See if there are employees that you can furlough, lay off, salary reductions you can make, maybe benefit reductions to reduce your expense on personnel. Another thing is talk to your key vendors that you have payables outstanding to and ask them for a 60-day or 90-day deferral to pay those payables, to buy you a little more time and give you some cushion to help you through this difficult time. Another thing is encourage customers that you have that owe you money to pay you early. How do you do that? Offer them a discount. Give them a 5%, even a 10% discount. If you really need that cash, if your runway's short, give them a significant discount to pay you early so that you have that cash rather than a piece of paper called an account receivable. Other things you can do, incentivize customers to pre-order and prepay for future services or products. You can liquidate excess assets that you have, either excess inventory or fixed assets that you're not using in your business. The last thing is increase your credit availability. There's several programs right now. We've got other videos that we've done on those. The SBA's PPP program, if you haven't applied for it, I highly recommend that you do that. There's also the Main Street Loan Program, which has $600 billion allocated to it for funding to small business loans. So increasing your credit facilities obviously would give you additional runway to make it through the crisis. We recommend that you calculate your runway weekly. Things change, your expenses, your revenues will change, and also the market conditions will change. So calculate it weekly and stay on top of it. So our motto is learn, decide, do, and repeat. Learn from what you did last week and the information that you gathered. Decide what to do with that information to move your business forward, and then do something about it. Do this on a weekly basis, and you're going to be on top of your runway and be able to make a lot better decisions about your business. We have some things that will also help on our website. We have free resources, including the PPP loan application and tips on applying and accelerating that process. We also have information about both of the Main Street loan programs, as well as Main Street loan program tips. And we have a runway calculator tool that you can download and use for free. So please take advantage of these resources to help you get through this crisis. And lastly, and we're offering this to any small business owner that has questions that we may be able to answer here at MarketView based on our experience for over 25 years serving this market. Call us and we'd love to talk to you. We'd love to hear from you about the unique circumstances you're facing and how we may be able to help you. During this crisis, we're not charging a dime for our time to do this. We just love to hear from you and help any way that we can. During normal times, MarketView's mission is to help small business owners preserve value, increase value, and prepare their businesses for a successful future sale or other exit transaction. We hope that we can have that conversation with you sometime soon. In the meantime, feel free to call us anytime we can help. And God bless you and your family, and stay well. Thank you.